Welcome! If you want to customize volume panel styles into a Motorola Moto G200, first step, open your Play Store and in search find your volume styles application. I'll show you. First application, this one. Need installing, wait a second for install, and then click open. And now need choose your volume styles, for example maybe like iris, okay. Then need click start in the top right corner. And now need to give accessibility for this application, so turn on in application, and one more time in settings. Use volume styles, allow, and now click no thank you. And now when you see stop button in the top right corner, you activate new volume styles panel. So let's try, and how you can see, it's new volume styles of volume panels. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.